Good morning, student. I am Mrs. Amita Rajdan from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. I am the maths teacher of class 5th. Children, we have already completed chapter number 1st, that is based on large number. Children, I hope that you have already completed your written work in your notebook. Now today we will start chapter number 2nd, that is based on addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction you also learned in previous classes, that is not new for you, but in previous classes you learn the addition and subtraction up to small digit. Now in 5th class you have to learn how to solve the addition up to 4, 7, 8 and 9 digit. Now today we will take the only addition, subtraction and word problem in next class. So children, first of all we know what do you mean by addition. Addition means putting together things or any article or any things putting together, sum, total number of. For example, how many students in your school of class 5th? Children, you all know in our school there are 5 sections of class 5th. For example, section A, B, C, D and E. Suppose there are 40 students in class section A and 40 students in section B and 35 in section C, again 35 in section E and 40 in section E. So after adding this 10, 5 plus 5, 10, carry over, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So children, total number of students, therefore, total number of class 5th student is equal to 190. That means total number. How many students in class 5th? 190. This 100 include all the 5 sections all together. And you all know the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition that you all already know. Now children, I hope that you understood the meaning of addition. So first of all we take the example. Addition. Four lakh 51,216, 3 lakh 16,120. All have seen. So you can add with the help of finger or with the help of these lines. 1, 2, 3. One finger has 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This way also take as a line. So one finger has 4 lines. So if whatever you want, you can add with the help of finger or with the help of these lines. But if you count the do the addition with the help of these lines, it will helpful for you to add the large number. So children, this is 0 and this will, this is 6 and this will 0. So first of all, you remember that when we add any number with the 0, we will get the answer same that number. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से प्लस करेंगे तो उसका आंसर वो सेम नंबर itself वही नंबर होगा. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now 2 plus 1, that will also come 3 and 6. First we consider the large number, greatest number. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You can count with the help of finger or with the help of these lines. So children, what you have seen in this addition, then when we add any number, this is 1's place, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and lakh. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So children, first you remember that when we add any number with the 0, we will get the answer same. And second thing, always start the sum with the right side. जब भी हमको सॉल्यूशन करना है एडिशन का या सब्ट्रैक्शन का, तो राइट हैंड साइड से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे, वंस प्लेस से. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh again. So what you see, 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. So you have seen that when we add two number, we will get the answer in one digit. हमको जो आंसर मिला है वो वन डिजिट में मिला. And you know that when we get the answer in one digit, it means no need to carry, no need to take the carry of the forward to the next place. So children, you know when we get the answer in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, जब भी हम प्लस करने के बाद जो आंसर हमारा 1 से लेकर 9 नंबर के अगर सिंगल डिजिट में आता है, मतलब हमको वो आंसर सेम वैसा का वैसा वहाँ पर लिख देना है, उसमें कैरी लेने का आपको जरूरत नहीं है. सो अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस इज द सम विदाउट कैरी, दिस इज द एडिशन ऑफ विदाउट कैरी. नाउ टेक अनदर एग्जांपल विथ कैरी. So see this again, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So start from right side. So 8, consider 8 and 2 finger keep, 8, 9 and 10, 8, 2 finger, 9 and 10. So this is the 10, 2-digit number. See here, 2-digit number. And you remember that the digit in the place of ones, जो हमारा नंबर वंस के प्लेस पर है, that we will write in the place of answer. जहाँ पर हम आंसर लिखेंगे उसको वंस प्लेस का डिजिट हम लोग यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. We write the tens place digit at the place of answer, and this number will take as a कैरी टू द नेक्स्ट प्लेस. ये जो नंबर है हमारा टेंस प्लेस का जो नंबर है, उसको हमको नेक्स्ट प्लेस में कैरी के लिए लेना है. अंडरस्टैंड. इट विल टेक एज ए कैरी टू द नेक्स्ट प्लेस. सो चिल्ड्रन, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 and 1 will take as a carry. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again 11. 1 we will write here, ones place digit right here, and tens place digit take to the carry to the next place. So 1 will carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again 11. Again carry 1. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again carry 1. 4 plus 1, sorry. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this will no need to take carry, because there is no number. The sum is already completed here. So children, now you know the concept of the addition of carry and without carry and carry. So this type of sum, if it is given in this horizontal, so first you arrange in column. सबसे पहले आपको इसको कॉलम अरेंज करना. आप डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं, पर बट इफ यू अरेंज दैट विल इजी फॉर यू. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now next step, from where you have to write, starting the second number you have to start from right side, ones digit. So 1, 8, 7, 2, 9 and 8. So children, you have remembered that in addition, if you change the order of this number, अगर हम इसको ऑर्डर को चेंज करेंगे, ये वाला नंबर हम यहाँ लिखेंगे या फिर ये वाला नंबर हम ऊपर लिखेंगे, that will not affect to the result of a addition. No change in the result. If you change the order of a number, उसमें आंसर में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा. तो that rule is only applicable for the addition. So do the sum. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Carry 1, again 8, 8 फिर then you will take this help of this line. 8 is a larger number, so you have to take the 8 line. 4 plus 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line here, so 8 and again 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 and 1 plus 17. Carry. Again this rule follow for this. 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Again 9 plus 5, 9, 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So first we take the small digit, then largest digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So understand children? Now we will take the 3 digit, 3 column number. चिल्ड्रन ऑलवेज राइट द नंबर इन सीक्वेंस. आपको ये ऐसे नहीं लिख देना है. ये दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. इफ यू आफ्टर बिफोर एडिंग यू राइट द नंबर्स इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. सीधे लाइन में नंबर रहना चाहिए. 1, वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड लेख. So again take the largest number. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 6, 6 you can consider, one finger will take here from. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again we take this. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So 9 we write at the place of answer and 1 will take to the next place. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 7, 7 here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Nine plus 4, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Two as a carry. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus 1, 16. Carry 1. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So answer is 15,17,619. This is your answer. So children, one we take as a story problem of the addition. A story problem. A company manufacture one lakh 12,612 cars and 2,16,215 trucks and 3,12,110 wins. Find the total number of vehicle manufactured by the company. So children, how to write the statement? कोई statement कैसे लिखना है? Solution. So what number is given here first? This number. And second, this number. And third, this number. So children, what is this number? Number of, ये नंबर किसका है? The company manufacture. कंपनी ने कितने मैन्युफैक्चर मतलब बनाया? 1,12,612 कार. ये नंबर ऑफ कार. ये कितना है? नंबर ऑफ कार. And this number 2,16,215 number of trucks. Number of trucks. Now third, 3,12,110 number of vans. And what you have to find? Total number of vehicle. ये आपको फाइंड करना है. तो what you have to do? Total number. That means you have to add all these three numbers. We do it in separate here. You can write in downside. Huh? So 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 0, no value. So 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So carry 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. So therefore the total number of vehicle manufactured by company, that is 6,40,937. Understand children? Now I hope all you understand. Now children, see in this page number 93. Second question. Here all the sums are given here and clues are given here. With the help of these answer and clue, you have to find the name of the city or add the following, and with the help of code write the name of the city. Exercise 2.1 question 1. Add the following numbers and with the help of code write the children. Here 4 sums are given here. After adding all the sums, clues are given here. children, you do all these sums which I have already explained you how to do the addition, you all know. Now compare the answer of this addition. A answer comes, we write here. After adding, you get the answer of A comes in the place of M. So we write here A, M, and answer of B comes in the place of U. So U, and the answer of C comes in the place of again M. We have seen after solution. You can do a solution yourself, okay children? Now D, the answer of D, carry the answer of this, D, B, now E, A, B, again C, D, E and F. So write according to the alphabetical. A, M, B, U, again C, M, and D, B, and E, A, and F, I. So the name of the city or state Union Territory is Mumbai. You can do it yourself. You can tally the answer of A, B, C, D, E, F, and put the answer in place of this alphabet. And this way you can find the name of the city. So children, your first exercise 2.1 is already completed, and one story problem we explain you. Children, hope you have all understand. Now in the next video we will take the next exercise that is based on the subtraction. Thank you.